The Granville-Phillips 275538-GE-T is a member of the Series 275 mini-convectron and is used in a variety of industries, with this particular one being from a semiconductor facility. This specific unit came to ERD as a part of a flooded facility job, and this unit was underwater for some amount of time. We had to fully take this unit apart and clean a fair amount of growing corrosion, which we were able to mitigate in time. After the cleaning and rebuild, we did a full test on this unit, which was a sensor unit used to measure vacuum pressure in a gas system. We attached this unit to a vacuum, and then attached the unit to an output measuring system we built in-house, which interprets the instrument's data and converts it into torr. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.